Not perfect, not terrible. What I did here was I took an original Oldsmobile pan, just stock one, and since there's no shelf stocking dry sump pans, I got a cheap small block Chevy one off of eBay that's already got, if this will adjust, it's got a screen for keeping any large debris out and pickups built into it. And obviously you can see the dimensional difference where I just modified, started cutting away the stock pan until I could get the small block Chevy one to slip in there, and then cut away what was sticking in space in the small block Chevy one. And then I just TIG welded around the outside. I mean, not perfect at it, but as long as it doesn't leak oil, it'll be good. Here's the oil pan finished and all mocked up. I had it blasted so that I could put some paint on it and protect it. Started mocking up the dry sump lines. But overall, it's going to fit really well. I mean, welds might not be so pretty, but it surprisingly didn't warp the flange a whole lot. But like you saw, I was welding it with it bolted to the block the entire time. And then once this part got welded back in, it really strengthened up the rest of it. The lines are nice and short. They'll get some heat shielding. The header is going to be here quite a bit out of the way. I'll have a third scavenge line to run that'll tuck in here. And I'll fab up a little mount to the oil pan for this inline filter right here before it runs up to the back of the block for the valley pickup. Probably put it high enough that we can clamp onto this line as well, just for some stability here, especially to try to keep it away from the headers. All the header tubes on this side should be outboard of this oil filter flange, so the oil filter would be here normally, so all the tubes are out here. So we really shouldn't have to worry about a ton of heat buildup or being too close, but at the same time I don't want to have it too low and get in the way of getting to those bolts. So I mean, somewhere right about there will be real nice. It'll make easy routing for the other lines and be able to integrate a clamp. Overall, not bad for a cheap oil pan option.